Hi, I'm Ricky Forbes, and I am a professional storm chaser. Soon, I'll be joining Enrique Márquez as we travel across the United States, chasing some of the most extreme storms on the planet and discovering the human stories behind them. See you on the Route of Enrique, USA.
Hello, I'm Sergeant Carlos Cornejo, and I'm proud to be part of Route of Heroes USA with Enrique Márquez. Soon I'll be sharing my story from police sergeant to content creator and how that has made a difference in my community. We'll see you soon.
America is the freedom to keep writing your story. I built a career, raised a family, and now building a new chapter in the American West.
Hi, I'm Sergeant Hansen. I'm one of the instructors at the recruiting schoolhouse. I'm excited to showcase what I do in a day-to-day life on the Route of Heroes with Enrique Márquez.
Hi there, I'm Kara. I'm the Assistant Director Manager here. I'm also one of the pilots. We are one of the safest helicopters in the area.
Hi, I'm Shay Kaufman with Hollywood Fire Rescue in Hollywood, Florida. Every day, our firefighters, EMS professionals, ocean rescue lifeguards, and fire prevention officers answer the call for service in our community. But behind every uniform, there's a story of sacrifice, dedication, and leadership. That's why we're excited to join Enrique Márquez on the Route of Heroes USA and share the stories of our men and women of Hollywood Fire Rescue.
Howdy, I'm Chuck Podesta. I'm honored to be part of the Route of Enrique USA with Enrique Márquez, and I'm looking forward to sharing my story, cowboy code, and the values that have guided me throughout my life. I'll see you all down the trail.
Hola, soy Juan Felipe Jiménez, miembro activo del Ejército de los Estados Unidos. Además, fui capitán de la Policía Nacional de Colombia. Y en esta oportunidad para mí es un honor darte a conocer que hago parte de Route of Heroes USA junto a Enrique Márquez. Y pronto vamos a compartir historias enfocadas en el cumplimiento del servicio, de la lealtad, pero algo muy importante, y es darte a conocer que el servicio con compromiso no tiene fronteras.
I'm Lance Corporal Juan Ipiales. I'm part of the United States Marine Corps. I was a prior service in the Ecuadorian Marine, and I will be part of the Route of Heroes in the USA with Enrique Márquez.
When everyone else is running the other way, we're heading straight into the storm. See you on the road.
Hi, I'm Technical Sergeant Vanessa Wagner, originally from Bogota, Colombia, and I am proudly serving in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. My journey in the United States Air Force has taught me that the American dream is built through service, faith, and sacrifice. It's an honor to join Enrique Márquez on Route of Heroes USA.
Hi, I'm Begoña Casales, Director of Communications at the Everglades Foundation. For more than 30 years, our scientists, educators, and advocates have worked to restore and protect America's Everglades, and we can't wait to share that story with you. The Everglades is more than a beautiful landscape. It is the source of drinking water for millions of people. It is home to thousands of species of plants and animals and an economic engine for Florida. Join us on the Route of Enrique USA to discover the people, the science, and the mission behind the largest ecosystem restoration effort in the world.